All right, guys, now we're going to show you how to plant a plant in pots. So first we showed you how to do into the garden, how to prepare for the garden. The first thing you want to do is find your pots. So we're going to be using these pots here. And what we're going to do is we're going to first identify which plants are going to go into what pot. So this is mint here, and this is a herb. And what I want to do, this will grow nice and full and nice and spread. So I'm going to put it in the bigger pot like here. And I'm going to put it right in front of this pot here. And the second pot, this is parsley. And this again is something you would put on your food. It could go on your salad, or it could go on top of your some of your meats. I'm going to put this over here, and now I know which plants are going in which pots. The first thing we want to do is get ourselves started is be prepared for the clothes we need to wear. So as you can see, it's a sunny day, so I have my hat on to protect me from the sun. I also have my sunglasses on to help protect my eyes. And lastly, I have my gloves to help protect my hands from getting dirty and from potentially being pricked with anything that's going to be handling in the soil. The tool we're going to use today is my hand trowel. And as we talked about before, it is my sharp shovel made of metal with a wood handle. Okay? And I have two different kinds of soils here. I have a topsoil and I have a soil that we use for pot, so I'm gonna actually mix some of it together to make my to fill my pot. Okay, so the first thing, we'll start here with this one. I'm gonna take some of my soil, a scoop of my topsoil, and I'll take another scoop of the planting soil, and I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm just gonna mix it up like that. I'm using the tool, the trowel, the edge of the trowel to mix it up. Okay, then you want to gently remove the plant from the container it came with. So you can squeeze the plant like this to loosen it up from the container. Take out the information tag, and if you hold it upside down, you should be able to just have it pop right out. And I want to be really careful, and you can see all of the roots in here. And we want to make sure that that plant goes right into the bottom. So I'm going to put a little bit of a spacer like that. So you can see all along the sides here, it's empty. And now I'm just going to do is take some of my soil and fill it in. Just like that. Very nice. Then you take your hands, your fingers, and just kind of pack in the soil. Don't press it down too hard. Some people like to give it a bit of a tap, and that settles some of the soil. And that is the first plant that we planted. I'll do one more over here. Same thing, we're going to take some soil and mix it in. Just like that. Now this is a deeper pot, so we're going to put more soil in this one here. Same thing, take my mint, I'm going to squeeze it a bit here on the sides to loosen up from the container. Take out the information tab, hold it upside down, and slowly let it fall out. And then you're going to place it inside your pot like this. So this is a little too low, so we're going to put some more soil in. So it sits a little higher up. There it goes. And we'll fill up the sides with more soil like that. Don't worry if you make a mess, because we can clean it up afterwards. You just want to make sure that you are really careful with your plant and you don't damage the leaves or the roots. Again, pack in the soil nice, not too tight. Tap it around, put in a little more soil just to fill it up at the top there. And that is how we plant plants in pots. All right, next we'll do a quick video on how to work our vegetable garden soil, okay?